How to use the Sleeper Fantasy Football app. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Sleeper Fantasy Football app. Whether you're new to fantasy football or switching from another platform, Sleeper offers a unique and user-friendly experience. Let's dive right in. First, download the Sleeper app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Then once installed, open the app and sign up using your email and connect with your existing social media account. Follow the prompts to set up your profile and preferences. After signing up, you can either join an existing league or create your own. To join, tap on the Leagues tab, search for leagues using the league name or code. If you want to create a new league, select Create a League and customize your league settings, including the number of teams, scoring rules, and draft type. Once you're in a league, you'll need to set up your roster. So navigate to the roster tab and where you can view your players. To add players, go to the waiver wire section to browse available ones. Tap on a player to view their stats, and if you'd like to add them to your team, hit add and follow the prompts. Draft day is crucial, so if you're in a league that requires a live draft, you'll receive a notification when it's time to join. Follow the draft order and select your players. Remember to strategize based on the players available and your league's scoring system. Throughout the season, managing your team is key to success. You can make trades with other managers by going to their team profiles and proposing trades. Also, keep an eye on injuries and player performance to make informed decisions about starting lineups and roster changes. Sleeper isn't just about stats, it's also about community, so engage with your league members through chat features. You can discuss trades, share insights, and keep the competition lively. Check the chat tab for league discussions and announcements. And that's how to use the Sleeper Fantasy Football app. With its intuitive design and community-focused features, you'll have everything you need to dominate your league. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fantasy sports tips. Thanks for watching.